Hey explorers, ready for another amazing adventure? Then welcome back to Travel to Celebrate. Antarctica, a continent of ice larger than Europe, a frozen desert holding 90% of the world's fresh water. It is the coldest, driest, highest, and most alien landscape on our own planet, a realm of hostile beauty and profound silence. Step onto Antarctica here. The air is so pure it hurts to breathe, and the silence is so complete you can hear your own heartbeat. In the immense silence of the Antarctic, nature becomes art. A lone iceberg, crowned with a turquoise jewel, floats as a solitary kingdom in a sea of scattered ice. A testament to the wild and breathtaking power of the planet's frozen heart. It is a continent without a native population and is not owned by any single nation. Instead, it is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, a landmark agreement dedicating the continent to peace, scientific inquiry, and environmental protection. In a kingdom of silence, ancient ice, a living mountain erupts from the sea. This breathtaking moment, where the raw power of a humpback whale meets the immense stillness of the glaciers, reveals the true, vibrant soul of Antarctica. While the deep interior is a biological desert, the coasts are home to bustling colonies of millions of penguins, from the towering emperor to the plucky adelie. Life here is a fragile ecosystem entirely dependent on the sea. Amidst a bustling city of sleek, tuxedoed king penguins, one fuzzy brown chick stands out, awkwardly flapping its future wings. Here, against a backdrop of immense ice cliffs, emperor penguin adults stand guard over their fluffy, gray-coated chicks. While in the quiet gloom of the Antarctic, a formidable leopard seal finds a moment of rest. This is the quiet, contemplative soul of Antarctica, where the silence is as vast and profound as the landscape itself. And here is the Antarctica in its purest form, where the sky is crystal, the water is deep blue, and the ice itself seems to be made of frozen light. Earth's raw beauty in its most brilliant and fragile form. While here the immense ice sheet cracks and splinters, creating pathways of dark water through the frozen expanse. It's a powerful, raw display of the constant transformation that defines the planet's frozen frontier. The tale of a solitary journey and the incredible resilience of life. From a rocky outpost, the pristine wilderness of the Antarctic Peninsula unfolds. This is a world of impossible scale and perfect clarity, where even the immense silence is broken by the distant calls of a penguin colony. What part of this incredible continent amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you felt the magic of Antarctica, please give this video a like, share it with someone who dreams of adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel to Celebrate. While to wait for more journeys to the world's most breathtaking places. Until next time, keep exploring.